Hello friends, in this video I'll tell you how to write vertical text in Microsoft Word. Please like and subscribe and let's get started. The easiest way to add vertical text is to use the text box. Go to the Insert tab and select Text Box. Here we select Draw Horizontal Text Box and use the leftmost button to draw it. Type any text or copy it here, and then click Text Direction and select Text Direction Options. In this menu, select the text direction and click OK. Alternatively, we can rotate the text manually by holding down the leftmost button on the rotation icon. When the position of the text is determined, we can reduce the borders of the text box or hide them completely. Click Shape Outline and select No Outline. And now we can drag the text to any place on the page. And that's it. Now in Automa.